There's a few things that you can feel and check yourself. Basically, first thing, when you put it in gear, meaning in drive and reverse, does it delay where you've moved the shifter into drive, and does it take a few seconds before it goes in? That's first thing. Second thing, does it shift hard? Usually from like first to second is the big first noticeable problem. Third thing is the overdrive light. A lot of vehicles have an overdrive light that turns on the dash or on the shifter. If that starts flashing, it usually means there's a problem. You need to get it checked out.